Hello friends, welcome to the video lecture series on artificial intelligence and machine learning. I am Dr. Dafda, and in this fifth video class of AI/ML, we will see different applications of artificial intelligence. See, artificial intelligence has applications in all fields of human studies such as finance, economics, manufacturing, healthcare and so on. And today there is almost no area where artificial intelligence is not used. AI technology is making a big difference in our world, changing how industries work and how we live every day. It helps with everything from planning things automatically to diagnosing illnesses in medicine. And AI is basically showing us new things we never thought were possible in many different areas. Okay, so let us start. Artificial intelligence is used in autonomous planning and scheduling. For example, NASA's AI program became the first AI to control a spacecraft operation. It planned and executed a series of complex procedures to observe and study the asteroid while optimizing fuel efficiency and ensuring spacecraft safety. Also, companies like Amazon use AI software to schedule and organize operations in their warehouses. These tasks include things like ordering and sorting, optimizing inventory and managing logistics. Also, like our electricity regulators, smart grids use AI algorithms to balance how much energy we need and how much we produce. They also help us get the most out of renewable energy sources such as wind or solar energy and manage where we store energy so that our energy supply remains reliable and efficient. Artificial intelligence is also used in gaming. A computer named Deep Blue defeated the best chess player Garry Kasparov. This win showed that AI can be really good at tricky games, even better than people. It also showed that AI has improved a lot because of better thinking methods and faster computers. Artificial intelligence is widely used in medical field nowadays. AI powered software can diagnose diseases almost like experts by using statistics to estimate probability. They provide reliable and relevant advice to help doctors make the best decisions for the patients. These computer studies show that more people can get better medical care even in areas with few doctors, and these programs are good because they always learn from new information. And one such medical field example is robotic surgery. Artificial intelligence is used in increasing our awareness. Intelligent computers can scan objects, understand what they see, help self-driving cars drive themselves, and recognize faces for facial recognition. Computers can also understand what people are saying and talk back to them, making virtual assistants and real-time translation possible. For example, Siri, Alexa, etc. AI enables robots to feel, touch, see and hear things like humans, so they can work in complex and hazardous environments in the industries. And thanks to AI, robots and cars can figure out what's around them and what to do next, all automatically without any human intervention. Artificial intelligence is transforming our e-commerce. AI-powered recommendation systems can look at what people like and suggest things they might want to buy, which makes shopping more fun. AI chatbots can always be there to help customers with questions and help them make purchases. Also, machine learning algorithms can learn from what happens, detect when something fishy is happening in online shopping and stop it immediately to keep everyone safe. And of course, artificial intelligence is increasing human capabilities. AI robots can make work in places like factories and hospitals easier and safer. Virtual assistants can perform multiple tasks such as setting up schedules or searching for information, so people have more free time. And AI systems can look at complex data, find patterns and help people make intelligent decisions, especially in the areas like finance and medicine. And artificial intelligence has got numerous such applications, some of which are shown here along with examples. And one such example of YouTube music recommendation system we have already seen in our very first video class of AI/ML. So that is all for this video class. You will find the link to download the PPT in the description box. Thank you very much.